Okay, this property, from the walkways and foundation, I see this probably had at least 2 and probably more houses on it, because when this neighborhood was built in the 1920s and 30s, the houses were apartment buildings were placed pretty close together, and this is a decent sized plot of land. But what caught my attention here was these 2 patches of consisting of mulch, 2 bushes, and a maple tree. In this case, just standard. Actually, I'm not even sure if this is a maple tree. It might be an oak tree. Yeah, I think it is. Try to get a closer view of a couple of leaves here. The next one has a tree with red leaves. Same type of bush, nice black mulch, fresh, well, reasonably fresh, probably. I assume this is a red maple. Get a close-up of a leaf here. So anyway, I continued my walk, and noticed on the property of the self-storage place, we have, every few feet, the same repeating pattern: a green tree, a red tree, and 2 bushes. The only thing missing in these little enclaves are the rocks. And I'd been down here before and probably seen these trees, but just didn't realize there was a pattern to them and that it continued on to a different property. Yeah, White Castle box. I am just about a half block away from the White Castle. But anyway, I hope you can see that this is kind of a nice repeating pattern, and hope you have a nice day. Enjoy the beauty in your neighborhood.